You ever felt like it's just raining, but it's only raining on you?